To create a board on Monday.com, start by logging into your account and clicking on the Create a Board button. This will take you to the board creation page where you can choose a template or start from scratch. If you are new to Monday.com, it is recommended to start with a template as it will give you a basic structure to work with. Choose a template that best fits your needs, such as a project management or sales pipeline template. Once you have selected a template, click on the Use this template button. You can then customize the board to fit your specific needs by adding or removing columns and groups. To add a column, click on the Add Column button and choose the type of column you want to add, such as a text or date column. You can also add a group to organize your board into sections. To add a group, click on the Add Group button and give the group a name. After setting up your board, you can start adding items. To add an item, click on the Add Item button and fill out the relevant information. You can also add files and images to an item by clicking on the Attach File button. One of the key concepts in Monday.com is the use of pulses, which represent individual items on your board. Each pulse can have multiple columns of information associated with it, such as a due date, priority, and assignee. Best practices for creating a board on Monday.com include keeping your board organized by using clear and concise column names, and using groups to separate different sections of your board. It is also recommended to use tags and filters to make it easy to find specific items on your board. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a board on Monday.com that is tailored to your specific needs and helps you to manage your work more efficiently. Remember to keep your board up to date and make adjustments as needed to ensure that it continues to meet your changing needs.